Yeah, you running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied.
Hey guys, it's Morgan Ann and I'm back with another video. This time it's a shopping vlog, and not just any kind of shopping vlog. It's a home furniture shopping vlog. That's right, we're going to Ikea. Girl has got her apartment. She is she is moving in October, so she was starting her game plan now. Gotta make sure it's looking luxury or bougie. It's just, you know, your girl's cup of tea. So we're out here in the blazing heat in Arizona because Arizona is so hot. I'm doing, we're gonna survive. See my fits? I'm living for the Arizona fits. You got the Adidas camo pants on with some Adidas sneakers and this black top from, what is that noise? Black top from Fashion Nova. These glasses are from Shein, and you know, the face is beat by me. What is that beeping noise? Oh, well, it shut off. Let's go shopping. Get in, loser. We're going shopping. Boom, boom. Let's go. Literally have been going through all of this, literally dying. Better. Oh, this chair is like really cute, but really little. It's so hot in here. This is cute.
The mirror is cute.
Yeah, it's only $99.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah, that's cute. But I have something similar to that. This is so cute. It's $129. But my abs though. Abs, you see those glistening abs. Oh, what about these, Mom? Isn't this cool? Look at this. Mommy, look behind you.
20 times 6.
120. That's not bad. I like this stuff. I mean, it's nice, but it's not, I don't think it's anything like that I'm craving for my kitchen. You know what I mean?
Go downstairs.
Oh, yeah, that's what it is. I do like this.
You like that, I like this.
Oh, this isn't bad. It's only 30 bucks. Oh, that's cute. Those are really cute things. I like that a lot. Oh, it's so hot here.
And it'll be on top.
Yep, and then they'll be right next to the dining room table.
Yep.
So yeah.
See, there's some simple plates right here.
Ooh, a drill. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna buy a power tools later. I don't know yet. It's still up in the air with that one, but I mean, I like it. I don't think I don't need anything high. I just need something, you know, that makes sense. Yeah. I like this table a lot. This definitely is more my style.
Take a chair over there. You think? Sit in it? Or is it too high?
Yeah, I like it. I like this one a lot. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize how big it was. This is the mirror I want. I want it so bad. Literally want this mirror so bad with all my heart. I'm gonna get this mirror. But this isn't gonna fit in your car. I was thinking about 6 and I was gonna get this one. It's not bad, and then it's in the color white. It'd be like right in front of my bed. There's a black one, and put my TV right here. Yeah. Having them near my fireplace. $100 for a little beanbag. I don't know about that one. But it gives me an idea. It's only $49, but it doesn't match with anything that I have. Good, maybe with this. No. Yeah, those are cute. I like those. Get that. Hearts. Let's get this squares. As much as I know you're about to pass out from thinking green, but could I have the fake plants for my kitchen? No? Yes? Maybe so? Oh, it's $5. I don't want that. $5. I don't want that. That's why I was asking, should I get it in black or gray? How much is it? Can I get a spoon? Yeah. Okay. So if they have any more, let's look around, and if I find it in black, I'll get it in black. I need two. I need two? Okay. Should I get this instead? Should I get this spoon as well? I don't know why, I just love these kind of wooden spoons. Huh? Oh look, this is cute though. Yeah, that's actually...
No, I can get two. Then you should get the matching red.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay. It kind of matches with my pots and pans. This? Oh, the hell is that? Oh, okay, throw that in there. Or do I need a cleaning brush? Nope. That's all you gotta say. I don't like the bright blues, but more of like the dark blues like this. What do you think about these? I like this blue better than that blue. I don't know what the hell that is, but I wouldn't. I still like the white, not this white. I like the other white I looked at. If we went with these colors, because that's the blue. I mean, I'm not really using this stuff for another 2.5 months. 2, 3, 4. I mean, that one's kind of cute, but nothing's like going, hey, Morgan, put me on your floor. So I don't see much at the moment, at this very moment that I need. Majority of this is all mine. $200 later. Just our first IKEA trip. We got a gazillion more to go. We got probably like 2 more, 3 more. Alrighty, we got a good amount of stuff in.